Now, when we're looking at geometric sequences, we know we're going to be multiplying or dividing by the same number. And note that multiplying by a fraction is the same as dividing. So multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. Okay, so we are looking at a sequence. It says, what is the next term of the geometric sequence multiplying or dividing by the same number? 2 times some number is 10. You might know this, 5. You might not know this. If you don't know it, we can think 2 times some number what we don't know, x, equals 10. And we get 5, which is great. 10 times 5 is 50. Beautiful. So we're going to take 50 times 5, gives us the next number in the sequence, which is 250. Great. What is the next term of the geometric sequence? So we're going from 32 to 16, 16 to 8. Obviously, these numbers are getting smaller, so we know we're either going to be dividing, or we're going to be dividing, period, which is the same as multiplying by a fraction. So 32 times some number that we don't know gives us 16. And I see that it's 0.5 or 1/2. So 16 times 1/2, that's great. It gives us 8. Now 8 times 1/2, or 8 times 0.5, gives us 4. So basically what we're doing is just dividing by 2 every time, which maybe you saw, which is great. If you didn't, we're using Desmos. So we know it's got to be 4 because we divide by 2 every single time. Looking at this next sequence, I go from 3 to 12 to 48. These numbers are obviously getting bigger. So 3 times some number gives us 12. Most of us will know that 3 times 4 gives us 12. 12 times 4 gives us 48. 48 times 4 gives us 192, which is the next term in the sequence. This is all we're doing for this activity. Let me show you, if you didn't know that 3 times 4 is 12, you can take 3 times x, some number that we don't yet know, equals 12, and we'll get that the number is 4.